In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to add money to Piggyvest. So there are different ways in which you can use to add money to Piggyvest account by using the account number, sending money from your other banks to your Piggyvest account, or by linking your card or bank to your Piggyvest account. So let's say you want to add money through your Piggyvest account number. So from your Piggyvest homepage, just click on account, then you're gonna see your account number right here. You can see powered by Stanley Bank. So just tap on that number, then your account number will be copied. Then any bank you want to use, so let's say for example you want to use OPay to send money to Piggyvest account. So I have my OPay right here, so let me navigate to that. So this is my OPay account, so let me verify that. So then on this page right here, you can see click on bank to bank, then I'm gonna put in the account number, then you can see Stanley Bank, then account will be loaded. You can see Piggyvest, my sorting my name, then click on next. So then you input the amount you wanna deposit to or to fund to your Piggyvest. So let's say I wanna fund in 1,000 naira, for example. Then I'm gonna click on confirm, then to ask me to okay followed, then I'm gonna verify that. Then let's wait for the money to be sent. So let's wait for that. So it's done successfully. So I'm gonna go back to our Piggyvest app. Then let's see, if you notice very well, I have 1,000 2,000 naira on my account. So let's wait for it to load. Let's see what we got. It's not loaded yet. Okay, you can see it's now showing. So let's reload this page. The balance is not showing yet. So probably I actually saved 1,000 naira to my save log, so maybe that's the reason why. But if you click on savings right here, you can see the amount I've loaded. So you can see 3,000 naira. So that is how you can add money to Piggyvest.